Hello friends, welcome back to Dinesh Academy. And in this video, we are going to discuss about simple present tense, its usages, structure, along with the suitable examples. And please do watch the complete video to get the clear understanding of the concept. So, without any further delay, let's get started. The simple present tense, also known as present indefinite tense, is one of the four subtenses of present tense. The simple present tense is employed in a sentence to represent an action or event that takes place or just happened in the given context at the present moment. Okay, guys, now you understood what is simple present tense and its definition. So, now let's understand the structure of the simple present tense. To understand the structure of simple present tense, we need to understand the usage of this tense in four different forms, that is, in positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and negative interrogative sentence. Okay, let's understand each of them in detail along with the suitable examples. The structure of simple present tense in positive sentence is subject plus verb in the base form or third person plural form. For example, you look beautiful or she looks beautiful. Let's see with the negative sentence. In negative sentence, the structure of simple present tense is subject plus do not or don't or does not or doesn't plus verb in the base form or third person plural form. For example, you do not look beautiful, she does not look beautiful. And the third structure is interrogative sentence. And the structure of interrogative sentence is do plus does plus subject plus verb. For example, do you look beautiful? Or does she look beautiful? And the fourth structure of simple present tense is negative interrogative sentence. And the structure is don't or doesn't plus subject plus verb. For example, don't you look beautiful? The second one, doesn't she look beautiful? Alright, before knowing the uses of simple present tense, let's understand two important points to keep in mind while using simple present tense. The first thing that you should understand about the simple present tense is that the verb mostly appears in the base form. And the second one, this changes when a third person pronoun or subject is used in a sentence. In this case, the verb used should be made plural. Well, let's understand what do you use the simple present tense for. The present tense can be used for various purposes, like it is used to quote general truths and scientific facts. It is also used to denote habitual actions that happen on a daily basis or at regular intervals. It is used to indicate unchanging events, and it is also used to give directions or instructions. It is used to speak about the fixed arrangements, and the last one, it is used along with the future constructions. So let's understand all this in detail one by one along with the suitable examples. The first usage of simple present tense is it is used to indicate general truths and scientific facts. For example, New Delhi is the capital city of India. The second example, the sun rises in the east. And the third one, hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. And the second usage of simple present tense is it is used for indicating habitual or repeated actions. For example, every day I go to school by bus. The second example, do you attend yoga classes regularly? And the third one, the firm publishes their company magazine every month. And in all these three examples, go, publishes, and do attend are the simple present tense, and they are always used in simple present because they represent habitual or repeated actions. So let's move on to the third usage of simple present tense, that is giving directions or instructions. The first example, take right from the junction to reach the hospital. Second one, close the door when you come in. And the third example, come home as soon as possible. And in these three examples, the words take, close, come are the verbs and they are in the base form, and hence they are used in simple present tense because they are giving some directions or instructions. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We use simple present tense when we are speaking about fixed arrangements. For example, my sister's train arrives at 5 p.m. And the second example, his cousin arrives tomorrow. And the third example, our summer vacation starts on the 16th of April. In the three examples, the verbs arrives, starts, and arrives are the examples of simple present tense, and they are used in simple present tense because all these three sentences indicates or speaks about fixed arrangements. So let's see the last one. We use simple present tense when using with future constructions. For example, I'll meet you before you leave. The second example, Radha will let you know when Sandhya arrives. And the third example, he will give it to Sam when he comes home. When we look at all the three examples closely, we notice the verbs live, arrives, and comes are used in simple present tense because they are used as future constructions here in the given examples. Okay, guys, let's recall the things that we have discussed so far. Simple present tense or present indefinite tense is always used in a sentence to represent an action or event that takes place or just happened in the given context at the present moment. And the simple present tense can be used in different structures in four different sentences like positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and interrogative negative sentence. And the important points to remember while using the simple present tense is the first one, the verb mostly appears in the base form. And the second one, this changes only when the third person pronoun or subject is used in a sentence. And the simple present or indefinite tense is used for various purposes like it is used to quote general truths and scientific facts, it is used to denote habitual actions that happen on a daily basis or at regular intervals, it is used to indicate unchanging events, and it is used to give directions or instructions, it is used to speak about fixed arrangements, and the last one, it is used along with the future constructions. Okay, guys, that's all in this video, and we'll be back soon with another interesting topic that is present continuous tense. And if you really like the content and the effort that we are putting in this channel, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.